Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Sean, and today we're filming a new video with the Beast. That's right, baby. This is my 2017 F250, and we've got just a short video. And I know usually when I say short, it's long, but this is actually a short one. It's a real simple install. You guys can probably hear that. We were gonna try and knock this out in the driveway, but the neighbor's doing some construction on his house, which is totally cool with me. He's making it look good, and he's a cool dude. He's super nice. So I'm gonna go down the street to the park, and we're gonna knock out the video over there. Doing construction over there. Do it, man. Making his house look good. I'm all for it. Unfortunately, there was some people at the park playing, so can't really film in the parking lot if they're in the parking lot. So we're just gonna keep going down the street. There's an industrial complex. It's Saturday, nobody's working. It's right before Christmas, so it should be quiet over there. If anybody needs a spare shopping cart, I got you covered, boys. Shopping carts for days. What do they do with all those things? Recycle them, I guess? Not real sure. Parts? Parts carts? That's what they are. Parts carts. The truck still has some get up and go with the 37s. There we go. That's right. Alrighty, boys, we made it. This is just an empty spot. They're actually selling it, and the beauty is I know the guy who's got it listed, so if we were to run into any issues, we should be all right. I'll just name drop a little bit. And today it is brought by BuiltRight Industries. They didn't sponsor this video. I bought this on Amazon, so I'll link it below. It's an affiliate link, so if you click on it, it helps me out. It helps the channel out, so I appreciate that. But BuiltRight Industries builds or makes a latch for the back seat. Got a little thank you card here and a sticker, so that's awesome. The other thing I like is small business in America, so thumbs up to those guys. It's always good to support them. Oh, look, they put a little piece of candy in here. My daughter will love that. And here is what we're after. So here is our actual, this is what we'll pull up, and then this is what we're mounting right here. So the beauty of it, the best part, come on, bam, there we go. So now that I've shown you guys the BuiltRight Industries seat release kit for the F250, we're gonna fold the back of our seat down so we can get access to the area where we need to install it. Now, what I found to be easiest so far is to go ahead and pull this bottom part up. You don't have to come up all the way, because once you click it in like that, you can't just fold it down. You have to pull the handle. So just for ease of use right here, we'll just leave it out a little bit. Now, the area we're working is behind this seat, and the camera I have right here is huge. Let me show you real quick. This is the camera we're filming with. It's quite large. So we're working in a tight area and the camera won't fit. So what I'll do is I'll fold the seat down and then explain to you what I did to get it to fold down. So give me 1 second. Where are you at? Bam, right there. Heard it click. Just fold down now. There we have it, easy as that. While that might be easy to do, it's super inconvenient. What we did there is we reached into the back, and there's a little lever right here on the side that you move up. So if it were locked into place, you have to reach back there and pull that up. It's an easy concept, but it's not convenient. Hence why we bought the BuiltRight. So what we need now is a T30 Torx. That'll get rid of these two screws here. And I tried to do this just totally with a screwdriver type handle. Didn't really work. These things are on there tight. So what I'm gonna use is just a little ratchet and get it off of there, and then we'll move on to the install. They got these suckers in there, man. Gotta be safe with those seats, right? Make sure they don't come unlatched. Now be careful when you're pulling this screw out here, because if it falls back in there, I hear it's a pain to fetch out. So just be careful there. Got one removed. And then this one I've been working on, so it should be easier. Yeah, much easier. With the two T30 Torx screws removed, you can see that this will now come out, but we need to go ahead and leave it in. It's got this little hook that holds it into place, so we'll stick that back. We'll take our new BuiltRight Industries bracket and our handle, and we'll feed our handle through this little hole right here. And we're gonna have to give it a good pull to get it past the stitching. Bam, and just like that, it's in. I want to make sure it sits flat in there. And there we have it. With our handle assembled into place, you can see it doesn't have a chance to fall back down and escape. We will now slide our bracket onto our factory seat bracket. But first, we want to make sure that we put our little red clamp onto our release lever, so we have that there. So that goes in just like that. Oh, there we go. Not really hard, just set it right on top. Then place our bracket over. What that will do is allow our thing to be in place and not go anywhere. So if the seat's down, you would simply just pull on your handle and it releases it. So super easy, nothing difficult there. Let's put our bracket back into place. We will tighten it down our 2 T30 Torx. And when I go to tighten it back, I'm going to use the screwdriver handle to get it back down with our T30 Torx. Bam. One more good turn. Same on this one. And they're in there tight. And dude, it's easy as that, guys. Nothing super difficult. It looks great. You can see, we'll test it. Push down, then we'll pull our handle. Super simple. So now with everything installed, you would simply reach into the back, pull up on your handle, and the seat would fold down. Easy as that. So you have a little bit of storage space back here, nothing crazy. People are gonna ask, why would you need to get back there? Well, some people put speakers back here, subwoofers and stuff, which is not a bad idea. That'd be nice to do in the future. But for now, if we just want to store something small back here, maybe a hitch or something, we can put that back there. So let's go ahead and put the seat back. And then now we're good to go. Alrighty boys, and just like that, our BuiltRight Industries rear seat release handle is installed on our F250. Super simple install. If you have any questions about the install or my truck, leave those down in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe. I'm trying to reach 10K. It's been a goal of mine for a while. It'd be awesome to start 2019 with 10,000 subscribers. So I hope you would join the Mustang crew or herd or whatever we want to call ourselves, the Mustang channel. Just join me and make it 10,000 subscribers down below. I'd appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you back here next time. Peace.